Information transfer. Dear learners, today we'll be learning about information transfer. Information transfer is a writing skill. It is an activity in which a given information is converted from verbal, a given paragraph, to non-verbal, that is, in the form of a tree diagram or a pie chart, or a bar graph, flow chart, and tabular data, etc., and vice versa. It is of two types. If a paragraph is given, then we have to convert it into diagrammatical table or graphs, and if it is given as graph or pie diagram or any other form, then we have to convert it into small paragraph. So, it is either verbal or non-verbal, paragraph to diagrammatical form, or non-verbal to verbal, diagrammatical form to paragraph. Generally, information transfer must be short and simple. Tips of verbal to non-verbal transfer. Read the given paragraph carefully and search for the main ideas or keywords, underline them, or make a list of them. Read the given paragraph or summary 2 to 3 times carefully to have a better understanding of the paragraph. Select the most suitable format that could be used to represent the given data effectively. Most of the time, it is specified the format to be followed. Suppose you are transferring the given information from a paragraph to a fact file, then read the paragraph thoroughly, select a suitable title to your fact file, which is usually the topic on which the paragraph is based. Think of some catching or most important and effective title. Add suitable subtitles to the information which is being provided. For example, if you have to transfer information on a tree or a fruit or some famous personality, then suitable subtitles can be written such as the name, the region where it grows, benefits of consuming it, uses of that fruit or flower or tree, description of the fruit, flower or tree, speciality of that fruit, etc. A few rules that you need to keep in mind while transferring verbal to non-verbal information are: format should be suitable. Use appropriate signs, example, boxes, arrows, to indicate exact relationships. Cover the main idea or concept. Use suitable visual representation if not mentioned in the question. Example, pie diagram, tree diagram, graph, etc. Very important area where most make mistakes is that they write full sentences as given in the paragraph. Rather, you should write the important keywords. Non-verbal to verbal. This kind of information transfer involves transferring the information which is given in the form of a tree diagram or a bar graph or a pie diagram, or is given in tabular manner. A few points to be kept in mind while transferring the information from non-verbal to verbal, such as: state information in complete sentences using discourse makers. Follow a proper sequence. Cover the entire diagram. Explanation given should be clear and simple. You need to do this activity just as the opposite of verbal to non-verbal. In this type of information transfer, the first sentence that we can write is usually given in the question. Let us understand this type with an example. Example for your comprehension. Following pie chart shows the mode of transport used by children for coming to school. On the basis of the given pie chart, write a brief summary. The first sentence is, in fact, most of the time given in the question. You need to manipulate a little. You can start writing the paragraph like this. The given pie chart highlights the modes of transport used by children coming to school. In a non-verbal piece of example, the points are given in very short. Sometimes it could be a diagram also. You have to elaborate in a systematic way, paying attention to grammar and syntax of proper sentence formation. Hope the lesson was helpful.